So how to connect and listen song in a wireless mouse to your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Turn on your headphone, then you can see your headphone is turning on. Now go back to your phone and press and hold your Bluetooth, enable your Bluetooth option, and then you can see GZA wireless is active now. Press on this option, press on pair. Now if you go back to your Bluetooth again, then you can see it's connected. Now if you play anything on your phone, yeah, it's go with headphone. So if you turn off it, just disable your Bluetooth, then you can see it's playing audio on your phone. So that's it. This is how you can easily connect any headphone to your Samsung A16 5G. Hope it helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.